Evening. My name is Ruben Amamilo. I am very delighted to introduce my wife, Sharanda DeQuis Amamilo, as your next Thurston County Superior Court Judge. Sharanda is a wonderful person, a good mother, and a role model for our children. She is very passionate and committed to her work and her clients. She will treat people with utmost courtesy and respect. She will bring equal treatment and justice to the judicial bench. Thank you all for your support. And now, here is Sharanda.
Good evening, everyone, and welcome. I am Sharonda Amamilo, and I would like to be your next Thurston County Superior Court Judge. I decided to run for the position of Superior Court Judge because I believe that justice applies to everyone equally and I can influence the lives of people positively. Because of my prior experience representing the community, I understand the wants and needs of the people involved in the court system. I will champion efforts to protect and defend everyone's legal and constitutional rights, whether a juvenile, a parent, the mentally ill, the addicted, or any other person in the courtroom. In a criminal or civil matter, I will use my legal training and legal experiences to achieve justice and equity for all. In addition, with over 22 years of military service, veterans will find an understanding judge in front of them. Further, I pledge that I will endeavor to make the Superior Court system responsive to the needs of the people while upholding the laws of the state of Washington and the United States Constitution. I pledge that I will make sure that everyone who comes into my court will be treated fairly and equally, regardless of race, religion, social status, or income. I pledge that you will never have reason to regret giving me your vote. Humbly, I thank you for your support, and I encourage you to get involved with my campaign if you are able. Now, here is my campaign manager, Molly Sullivan.
Hi there, my name is Molly Sullivan, and I am the campaign manager for Sharonda Amamilo, who's running to be your next Thurston County Superior Court Judge in Position 8. I wanted to take a moment to reach out and talk a little bit about why I'm supporting Sharonda and to ask for your support as well. Diversity in our court systems is long overdue. Sharonda's been serving our country for 22 years in the Army Reserves. She's a Chief Warrant Officer 4, a proven leader who will provide an understanding ear to our military families coming before the bench. Sharonda knows the barriers that marginalized communities will face when coming before the legal system, and she'll provide compassionate justice to our most vulnerable community members. Her breadth of experience as an attorney in the matters in which she would be hearing before the courts is vital to ensuring that these families and children are met by someone who understands their struggles and who has worked with these cases personally. I know Sharonda is the candidate that we deserve in Thurston County. She can't ask for your help herself, so I'm asking for her. A contribution of $20, $50, or any amount up to $1,000 will help us meet our fundraising goal and will provide her with her first mailer, which will introduce her to the community and let our county know that she's the candidate that we need as our next Thurston County Superior Court Judge in Position 8. Please visit electsharondaamamilo.com/contribute or mail a check to the committee to elect Sharonda Amamilo at 120 State Avenue, number 126 in Olympia, Washington, 98501. If your check is above $100, please include your employer's state, and your position for records purposes. I know times are tough, so if you can't make a contribution now, please consider making an endorsement statement of Sharonda. Endorsements are a testament to our community that you believe in Sharonda and support her vision for our court system. Visit electsharondaamamilo.com/make-endorsement to tell us why you're Team Sharonda. Thank you so much for your time today. We'll be in touch soon with more campaign events and ways that you can get involved in the coming weeks. And now we welcome former Tacoma Mayor Marilyn Strickland.
Thank you very much. Well, thank you for letting me be here to be part of this kickoff. And I'm supporting Sharonda for Thurston County Superior Court Judge because she will bring the same dedication to the bench that she brought serving the country in the military for 22 years. And I really believe that given the makeup of the community, It's incredibly diverse, people from a lot of different backgrounds, people with a lot of different experiences. And we know that government works best when it's a true reflection of the entire community. And I have some written remarks here that I want to read. Upholding the constitutional rights of all citizens and helping those in need navigate the complicated legal system is something that should never be taken lightly. And those of us who've had any interaction with the legal system to do anything simple know how complicated it can be. And if you cannot navigate it, you have to end up in a very bad place. She will be fair, she will be impartial, she will do this through the lens of equity, and she's really someone that we need on the bench, whether it's in Thurston County, Pierce County, or anywhere else in the US. You're very lucky to have a candidate as strong as she is. And as someone who has the experience both working in the public and private sectors, I can tell you that having a partner of the people is exactly what we need in elected office. So I'm very proud to endorse her, and I'm very honored to be here today. So here's the reality. We are in the middle of an unprecedented health and economic crisis, and people are very conscientious about what they have to give to campaigns. And people are in a lot of different positions. But if you have the capacity to donate to this campaign, I encourage you to do so. We need people like Sharonda on the bench, not because of who she is, but because of how she will treat every person who comes before her in the courtroom. So I'm Marilyn Strickland, former mayor of Tacoma. But more importantly, I'm here to enthusiastically endorse Sharonda, and I urge you to please make a donation today. Go to the website, check her out on Facebook, follow her on social media, spread the word, but make sure that we get her to the Thurston County Superior Court. Thank you.